All of you please type your attendance. All of you please type your attendance. Okay, then what we have learned in our previous class? Okay,
Good morning,
it's Amaya's birthday.
Yes.
Okay, many more happy returns of the day. All of you please wish her.
Thank you, Miss.
Happy birthday, Amaya.
Happy birthday, Amaya. Thank you.
Okay. Then, I think in our previous class, we are discussing about division, is it? Division of large numbers. Did you get the idea of dividing large numbers? Is there any doubt? Division of large numbers. Is it clear? Good morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, all of you. Please mark your attendance.
Miss, homework How are you, Miss?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. We have a homework, is it?
Yes.
Yes. How many of you completed your homework? Please raise your hand. Okay. Then what about others? What happened? Somebody did not completed their homework. Okay, Nihal. What happened? Okay. Those who did not complete your homework have to submit by today itself. Okay. Okay. Then I think in our previous class we were discussing about division. Do you have any doubt in the division of large numbers?
No, Miss.
That is in our previous class. I think we have discussed about the division of 5-digit number by 2-digit number or 5-digit number by 3-digit number and so on. Is it? So today we are going to discuss the division of 6 and 7-digit numbers. 6 and 7-digit numbers. For that, you can see in your textbook page number 114. There is a question given for you. Example 18, example and 19. We are going to divide 6 and 7-digit numbers by 2-digit divisor. Okay, we are going to divide 6 and 7-digit numbers by a 2-digit divisor. Which is the numbers given for us? Which is the number? Divide
45 lakh 200.
45 and 200.
2,403.
45 lakh 200. How will you read it?
45 lakh 2,403.
2,403. And we have to divide this number by 33. We have to divide this number by 33. The divisor is 33 here. Then how will you divide this number with 33? How will you divide this number by 33? First of all, we have to check how many times 33 are in 4. Is there any 33s in 4?
No.
No. Then what about 45? How many 33s are in 45? Only 133. So, we can write 1 here. That is just above 5. We can write it as 1. So, 1 into 33 is equal to Again, we will get
33.
33.
Nihal Nihara. Nihara. KGB. Okay. So we will get the product as 1 into 33 is equal to 33 itself. So now we have to divide this 33 from 45. Then what should be the difference between 45 and 33?
12.
What is it? Is it
12.
5?
No, 12.
Is it 5?
12.
12.
It is 12. Okay, it becomes 12. So we will get it as 12 and we have to replace. Please stop writing on your screen. And we just have to replace the 2 here. Then it becomes 122. Is it?
Yes.
Become 122. And then how many times? How many times 33 are present in 122?
3. 3.
Is it
3.
3?
Yes.
How will you get
Yes.
this 3?
Yes.
How will you get this 3? 3 into 33 is equal to
99.
99. So we can write the 3 right here. So 3 into 33 is equal to 99. So we can write here minus 99. We have to subtract this 99 from 122. Then what should be the difference between 122 and 99?
23.
23.
It is 23. Then what about the next number? We have to replace this 4 here. Then become 230. Then how many times 30 is present here?
7.
7.
7.
It's not 0. We have to replace the 4 here.
This is
First of all,
234.
we have replaced the 2 and after that we have to replace the 4. So it becomes 234. How many times 33 is present in 234?
7.
7 times.
Miss, page number
Page number 114. 114. So 7 times 33 is present there. Then what is the product of 7 and 33? 7 into 33.
236.
231. So we have to subtract 231. Okay. Then what is the difference between 234 and 231?
6.
13.
Is it 6?
3.
It is 3. So it becomes 3.
3.
Now we have to replace the 0 here. Then it becomes 30. Then is there is any 33 is present in 30?
No.
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 Then what we have to
3
do?
returns that.
We have to put
3
a
divided.
0
right.
here, is it?
Yes.
We have to put a 0 here. And then again we have to replace our 3 here. Then it becomes 303. Then how many 33s are present in 303?
9.
9.
Okay. Then 9 into 33. What is the product of 9 and 33?
297.
297. It becomes 297. Then what is the difference between 303 and 297?
6.
It is 6.
6.
Then what is our quotient here?
6. 1,017.
13,000. 1,37,009 or 13,709. Not 13,709 is the quotient. And what about our remainder?
Six.
Remainder is 6. And similarly, you can divide a 7-digit number using a 2-digit number. It's very simple, is it?
Yes.
The division of 6-digit number using a 3-digit number. Similarly, we can divide a 7-digit number using a 2-digit number. And now we are going to discuss about the division of 6-digit number by 3-digit number. For that, we are choosing a number that is example 20. Two lakh 54,326. And we are going to divide this with the
412.
412. We have to divide this number with the 412. Okay. Then what is the number divisor here? Which is the divisor here?
412.
412. Okay, then how many times? Okay, Advait, it's 412. Then how many times 412 is present in 254?
6.
254. Is
No,
that
miss.
412 in 254?
No.
No.
No, miss.
Then we have to choose it as 2,543. 2,543. Then how many 412s are there in 2,543?
6.
6.
Should be 6 that is given in your textbook. Then if there is no answer given for you, how will you find the number of 412 in 2,543?
247.
247,000.
Here you have the result or the answer is in your textbook. So you can ask or tell it as very simple. If there is no answer given for you, what we have to do here? How will you find the number of 412 present in 2,543? How will you find it? How will you find it? You just multiply 412 with appropriate numbers, is it? While multiplying 412 with 6, we will get it as? We will get it as? What we have to get here? You just multiply 412 with 6. You just multiply 412 with 6 in your rough book. All of you please take your rough book. Okay, you just take a paper. Or you can multiply in your textbook, notebook itself. You just multiply 412 with 6. You just multiply 412 with 6. Then what should be the answer? When you multiply 412 with 6, what should be the answer?
2, 4, 8, 5,
All of you please turn on your video.
4, 5.
Abdul Basit, Ebin Biju, Fatima, Mahfusa. Please turn on your video. Okay. Latecomers, please mark your attendance. You just multiply 412 with 6. Okay, Shafi.
2,472.
It is
2,472.
2,472. While multiplying 412 with 6, we will get it as 2,472. All of you please find the answer. We'll get it as 2,472. So we can write 6 just above 3. Just above 3 we can find, or we can write as 6. All of you please stop your writing on a screen. So 6 into 412, as we know, we will get it as 2,472. 2,000 minus 2,472. Then what should be the difference between 2,543 and 2,472? What is the difference between them? Just find the difference between 2,543 and 2,472. What is the difference between them? What is the difference between them? What is the difference between them?
17.
Is it 17?
71.
Equal to 1.
71.
Become 71. So the difference becomes 71. And now we have to replace our 2 here. Then it becomes 712. Then check how many 412s are there in 712.
1.
Only 1. As we know, there is only one 412 present in 712. So we can just write 1 here. So 1 into 412 is equal to
412.
412 again. So we just have to subtract it. Minus 412. Minus 412. Then what should be the difference between them?
300.
What should be the difference between them?
400. 30.
Is it 400?
400. 300.
Is it 400 or 300?
300. 300.
300.
300.
So we will get
300.
the remainder or the difference as 300. Now there is one more digit in our number. That is 6. We have to just replace that 6 here. Then it becomes 3006. Then now we have to check how many 4012s are present in 3006. How will you check?
7. 7.
How will you check 7? How will you check 7? How will you check 7? You just multiply 7 into 412 or 412 into 7. Just multiply them. 412 into 7. What should be the result or the product? All of you please turn on a video. What should be the product of 412 and 7? What should be it? 7 into 412 is equal to
28,084.
It is 28,084. So we just have to subtract it. Minus 2,884. It is 2,884.
2,800.
Okay, it is 2,884. Then what should be the result? The difference between them?
122.
It should be 122. Okay, then what is the quotient here?
617.
Is equal to 617 and the remainder is equal to
122.
122. So as we have done here, the division by 3-digit numbers are also very simple, is it? Do you have any doubt in the division of 3-digit division by 3-digit numbers? Do you have any doubt? What about others?
No, miss.
Show me a thumb if you are okay. Okay. All of you please turn on a video. Abdul Basit, Advait Kamal, Christy, Seba, Fatima. Okay. Then now we have studied about the division of large numbers or 6 or 7-digit numbers with the 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Is it? Okay, using this concept, can you do the exercise 4.3, sorry, 3.4 in page number 115?
Yes, miss.
There is 20 questions given for you. There are 20 questions given for you for finding the division or finding the answers of this division. Okay. Can you do it as your homework?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Okay, then all you should submit your homework before next Tuesday.
Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Okay.
Full editano.
Yes, all the questions, 20 questions, very simple. Some of the questions are with the division with 2-digit numbers. Only few questions are with division of 3-digit numbers. It's very simple. Is it? If you have any doubt, you can ask any time, okay? You just message me.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Then, now we are going to discuss about division by 10, 100 and 1000 and so on. Division by or dividing by 10, 100. All of you please stop drawing on a screen. While you are writing on a screen, I can't complete my writing. Okay. 10, 100 and 1000 and so on. We are now going to study division by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. It's not 100 against 1000. Okay, etc. Do you know how to divide a number with 10 and 100 and 1000 and so on? First of all, while dealing with such problems, you just look at how many zeros are there for the divisor. You have a question here, that is 24,752 divided by 10. Which is the divisor here?
10.
The divisor
10.
10. Then how many zero is there for the divisor?
1.
Only one
One.
zero. Okay, in such cases, you just have to change. You just have to change that. That is, as we know in this case, here is only 1 0 is present for our divisor. Our quotient should be Q is equal to 2475. 2475, and our remainder should be 2. How will you get this? By looking at the number of zeros present in our denominator, not denominator, it is divisor here. Which is the divisor here? The divisor is 10. And how many zeros are there for 10? How many zeros are there for 10?
1.
Only 1 zero. So according to the number of zeros, we are just moving to here. That is, we are just moving here the last digit. Here 2 is the last digit. That is 24,752. Among this number, 2 is the last digit. We are choosing the last digit only because we have only 1 0 for the 10. That's why we are choosing 2 as our remainder. And the remaining digits, that is 2, 4, 7 and 5, that is 2475 is the quotient. Did you get the idea of dividing by 10?
Yes.
Then there is another question for you, that is you have to divide 353 by 10. Then what should be the quotient here?
Missing and divide.
What should be the quotient here? Look at the divisor. Here is also
35.
divisor is 10. And how many zeros are there for 10? Only 1 0.
1.
Okay, then we have to remove our ones place. After removing the ones place, what should be the answer?
35.
It should be 35, and the remainder is equal to
3.
okay. Then for another one, that is you just have to divide 4,520 by 10. Then what we have to do here? Then what's the quotient here?
452.
It should be 452. Then what about the divisor? Sorry, the remainder.
0.
Remainder
0.
should be 0. That is, there is no remainder. Okay. There is no reminder. You can write, maybe write in your notebook. That is, you can write the heading dividing by 10, 100, 1000, etc. And the first case division by 10. Here, first of all, we have chosen the number 24,752. Yes.
Miss,
എന്തോ
ഇത് നോട്ട്ബുക്കിലാണ് എഴുതുന്നത്.
ആ നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതിക്കോ. I think we have only 4 more minutes remaining. Okay. So, similarly, giving another question for you. That is 25,432 25,432 divided by 100. In this case, which is the divisor here? 100 is the divisor. Then how many zeros are there in 100? Two zeros. So, as we have done in our division by 10, the same thing we can do here. What we can do here? Here, there are two zeros are present for 100. That's why we have to remove the last two digits. Which are the last two digits here?
32.
32. Then that 32 should be our remainder. Remainder is equal to 32. And what about our quotient?
254.
Quotient is equal to 254. 254. Okay. So, the division by 100 is very simple, is it? You just have to check how many zeros are there in our divisor. According to the number of zeros, you just have to remove the terms. The last terms. The removing terms should be our remainder and the remaining terms should be our quotient. Okay, then similarly, one more example, that is 1 lakh 196 divided by 100. How will you divide this? How will you divide this? What should be the remainder here? What should
96. 96.
remainder should be 96. Then what about our quotient?
11.
11. After removing the remainder, what is the remaining digits there? 1001. It is 1001. Okay. After removing the last two digits, that is 96 or 96 are the last two digits. Then we will get the remainder as 96 and the quotient as 1001. Similarly, in the case of division by 1000, here is a question for you. 7,52,634 divided by 1000. Then what should be the remainder here?
34.
How will you get the divisor?
634.
It should be 634 because there are 3 zeros are present in our divisor 1000. So our remainder should be 634. Then what about our quotient?
752.
752. Quotient is equal to 752. Okay, similarly, one more example. 4,31,200